U.S. President Donald Trump will visit South Korea this weekend after the G20 Summit in Japan. He will discuss ways to revive nuclear talks with North Korea. The announcement comes hours after U.S. Secretary of State Mike Pompeo said that Washington was ready to restart talks with Pyongyang. A South Korean official says Mr. Trump is considering a visit to the demilitarized zone separating the two Koreas.
Two men have been pulled alive from the rubble of a collapsed building in Sihanoukville, Cambodia. They were cut free from the wreckage by rescuers who had all but given up hope of finding survivors more than 2 days after the construction site accident. 25 others were killed. The 7-story building collapsed before dawn on Saturday while workers slept on the floors. Cambodian Prime Minister Hun Sen visited the site today and ordered inspections of all construction sites in the beach town, which is catering to a surge of Chinese tourists.
India's Supreme Court has ordered a probe into the adequacy of medical facilities in the state of Bihar. That's where more than 150 kids have died from encephalitis over the past month. Local officials have faced criticism for failing to control the outbreak of the disease, also known as brain fever. India's top court has expressed serious concerns about the situation. It wants state officials to give information on sanitation and nutrition in the worst-hit areas.
A woman is claiming to have been left all alone on an Air Canada plane after falling asleep on a flight from Quebec to Toronto. Miss Tiffany Adams said she woke up freezing cold and still buckled in her seat, all alone in the dark in the parked plane. She briefly called a friend, but her phone's battery died. Ms. Adams eventually drew the attention of a luggage cart driver with a torchlight. He found her with her legs hanging out of the plane's open doorway, 15 meters above the ground. Air Canada has apologized for the incident and has said it was reviewing the case.